Okay, so here is the question. We're estimating the probability, and we know that the probability of getting each question right is 55%. So that is going to be your P. So Q would have to be 0.45 because they have to add up to 1. And it says use a binomial table, so it tells us it's binomial, to determine the probability of earning at least a 70% grade on a 20-question exam. So your N is 20, but we need X to be a number here. So what we have to do is, if we made a 70 on a test, 70% of 20 means we would get 14 questions right. So we want to know at least 14 questions right. So that means that we want the probability that X is greater than or equal to 14. So what we have to do is we have to find the probability of X being greater than or equal to 14. So the probability of 14, the probability of 15, the probability of 16, the probability of 17, the probability of 18, the probability of 19, and the probability of 20. So what you have to do, you can use the binomial table, and you need to find where N is 20 and P is 0.55, and go through and get the probabilities for each of these numbers. So let's look real quick at this table here. Well, we got to go down to 20 because this is a 20-question quiz or test, and then we have to go start here at 14, and we have to add 0.0746, 0.0365, 0.0139, 0.0040, 0.008, 0.001, and 0.0000. So let's here are your numbers. From the table. And this is for each of these values, 14 through 20. And 0.001. So when you add all of those up, let me see what I got. You will get 0.1299. So the probability of getting a 70% or better on this quiz is about a 13% probability.